So now we're going to use the arrow notation on a graph. So this one's a little more exciting than the last one. It says use arrow notation to describe the end behavior. So what's happening as we're going toward infinity or negative infinity, and local behavior. By that they mean like what's going on, kind of in the middle. And you can see we've got an asymptote there. So, and they give us this graph. Okay, so let's look at the end behavior first. As x approaches negative infinity, so we're talking about right here, what's happening? Well, f of x looks like it's approaching 4. Okay, so that you can see the horizontal asymptote there at 4, and that's what's happening. Okay, and then let's look at the other end behavior. As x approaches infinity, f of x is approaching 4. There's a horizontal asymptote at y equals 4. Okay, that's how you would write that. If they asked for the horizontal asymptote, they didn't, but I thought I'd point that out. Okay, now let's look at the local behavior. What's going on in here? We have a vertical asymptote at 2. Let's scroll up a little bit. So we have a vertical asymptote asymptote's a fun word to spell. And it's at x equals 2. Okay, so what's happening? As x approaches 2 from the left, so that's how we would write that. So 2 with a little superscript of a minus sign. So we're talking about this right here. As we're coming in from the left, it looks like f of x, our output, is going toward negative. Oh, you know what? Those are supposed to be arrows. That's an arrow going toward negative infinity. And I should have put that up here. Now I feel bad. I'm going to erase that. Sorry, in your notes. Those should have been arrows, though. It's approaching 4, and it's approaching 4. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. And then what's happening up here as x approaches 2 from the right, so we have that superscript of a plus sign, then f of x is approaching infinity. So that's how you would write the arrow notation to describe the end behavior and local behavior. And then if they want the equations for the horizontal asymptotes and vertical asymptotes, those are right there.